Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will help you make Metro Exodus run better. First, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated. This is crucial for any game. Next, dive into the in-game settings. Focus on reducing demanding options like texture quality and shadow detail. Finally, turn off VSync and motion blur to gain those extra frames and achieve a much smoother experience. These initial steps can significantly improve your gameplay. Moving on to more advanced tweaks, try lowering the resolution scaling within the game. Even a small reduction can yield big results. Also, remember to close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. This frees up valuable RAM and CPU cycles for Metro Exodus. If you're facing stutters, switching from DirectX 12 to DirectX 11 might offer a more stable experience. These steps can really fine-tune your setup. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming optimization guides. Quick recommendation: after all that intense gaming, why not relax with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading anywhere, even in a dark metro tunnel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's talk about your hardware. First, double-check that your PC meets at least the minimum system requirements for Metro Exodus. If you're comfortable, consider carefully overclocking your GPU and CPU for an extra performance push. Remember to do this safely. Lastly, a clean PC is a happy PC. Regularly clean out dust from your components to prevent overheating, which can severely impact your frame rates. These tips ensure your system is ready.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.